So if you've been following along with the build I've been doing on Tiny Tombstone here, last time I, pointed out that we got it combat ready, but sort of hinted that I'd let the details known on when it's going to be fighting. Now, I assume that a lot of the people that follow the Skorpios Builder blog also follow my channel, so this may not be news for everybody, but the announcement came not that long ago. I'm going to be using Tiny Tombstone to fight against... It's a kit that is designed after Skorpios that Zach designed that is going to be sold through Turnabots, and it's kind of an interesting little kit in the 150 gram weight category. So there's a little bit of history that goes to all of this. So first off, the original build for Tiny Tombstone, this goes back a few years ago. Zach hooked me up with Angus from the Maker's Muse channel. We were going to record something. He had this 150 gram version of Death Roll that he had built on his channel. And so the idea was to get, when he was over for one of the first open source events, we could get together and do this fight. And at the time, I never made anything this small, so I was using one of Zach's small robots, and it was a blast. We had a really good time with it. I did win. And so because of that, I kind of had the idea to build a tiny version of Tombstone from that. Well, it took me several years to get around to actually doing it, but when I did, Zach was the guy that helped me with a lot of the ideas and the parts for this, because I just don't build robots this small. So he was instrumental in getting this done. So Angus from Maker's Muse was kind of the impetus, the inspiration to get started, and then of course Zach helping me with the parts. So I had this tiny version of Tombstone in case we could ever get Angus back out from, he's in another country, so the logistics of him coming out here isn't easy. So that was the idea behind the robot. So it was all set and ready to go. Zach called me a ways back and he basically said, hey, I got a favor to ask. We got this new kit design that's coming out, and would you like to use the Tombstone to fight against it? So that's something that we got worked out, and we are going to do that at this year's Open Sauce. Well, that'll be July 17th through 19th in San Mateo at the Convention Center. So that's where Tiny Tombstone is going to be. So we're going to fight against the 150 gram version of a Skorpios inspired kit that is going to be sold by Turnabots, and it's going to be interesting. So the way he designed it, the entire frame and body is made out of TPU, which is like almost impossible to damage at this weight category. So we'll see how that goes. I expect I'll have a bit of an issue with it. There's also the fact that this is the very first 150 gram robot I've ever built, and Zach builds and competes with those for a living, so he's got way more experience with the small ones than I do. However, it should be a lot of fun. So in the description, there'll be links for tickets to go to Open Sauce if you want to come watch. I'll put in links to go to Turnabots, and you probably should go to the Skorpios channel and maybe subscribe there, because I'm sure he'd love that. So anyway, if you'd like to see Tiny Tombstone fight, we'll be doing that at Open Sauce. I'm sure both him and I will record it, and so we'll have some video footage of that down the road. But take a look at the new kit that he's selling. It's going to be kind of interesting.